Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at a punctuation trap that catches almost every single English learner and even native speakers every single day.
A punctuation trap? Those are always the sneakiest. What are the words today?
The words are it's and its.
Oh, it's and its. Yes, one has an apostrophe and the other doesn't. They sound exactly the same out loud, which makes typing them incredibly confusing.
Exactly. Let's start with the one that has the little apostrophe mark. IT apostrophe S. It's.
The golden rule here is that the apostrophe is a disguise. It means the word is actually two separate words pushed together, it and is, or sometimes it and has.
Right. Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you wake up, look out your bedroom window, and see dark clouds and heavy rain falling.
Oh, I would have to cancel my plans for a walk.
You would pick up your phone and text your friend, "We can't go to the park today. It's raining."
Perfect, because you're really saying it is raining. The little apostrophe is just taking the place of the missing letter I.
Now, let's look at the second word, it's, with absolutely no apostrophe, ITS.
This word is all about possession. It means something belongs to an animal, a place, or a thing.
Imagine a happy little dog is running around your garden.
Oh, I love dogs. He is running in circles and wagging his tail.
Exactly. The tail belongs to the dog, so you would point and say, "The dog is wagging its tail." No apostrophe.
But this is exactly where English learners get completely trapped, because normally in English we use an apostrophe to show ownership, like Maddie's book or Jules' car.
Yes, that is why it is so confusing. But its is a special pronoun, just like his or hers. We don't say his or hers for ownership, so we never use an apostrophe in its for ownership.
We have a brilliant memory trick for this. If you are ever confused while writing an email, just separate the word in your head into it is.
Yes, test the sentence. If you were talking about the dog, could you say, "The dog is wagging its tail"?
No, that sounds ridiculous. So you immediately know you cannot use the apostrophe. You just use its.
Your homework for today. Think about your favorite animal. What is it doing right now? Practice writing a sentence about the animal using its for possession and another sentence using its for the weather today.
If you just use the it is test in your head, you'll never make this spelling mistake again. You've got this.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
It's time for us to go. See you next time on Mady English Practice.